So 19 from page 174. This is in the roles section. And so it asks us to verify that roles works and then use the then, like use the conclusion for roles. So the if part is continuous on the closed and differentiable on the open. So what do we think? Sine of 3x, is that continuous and differentiable between 0 and pi over 3? Yeah, because it's continuous and differentiable everywhere, because I know what the graph of sine looks like. The 3x changes the period, if you remember that, but it doesn't change. There's no asymptotes, holes, anything crazy. So it's continuous and differentiable. So the then is that the derivative somewhere equals 0. So the derivative would be, derivative of sine is cosine, and then chain rule would be a 3 at the end of that. So at C, and C is what we're looking for, 3 cosine 3c, 3 cosine 3c equals 0. I think I see why now this is a common question. I can divide by 3. Cosine of 3c is 0. Because that 3 in there, it's like, what do I do with that? Because I can't divide by 3 inside of there. Instead, I have to think, well, where is the cosine equal to 0? There and there. So at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2, and I don't know if this thing keeps going around, but like 5 pi over 2 and on and on. That's what the argument has to be. So that's what 3c would have to be. So if I divide all of those by 3, I get pi over 6 and pi over 2 and 5 pi over 6 and others, but I'm only looking between 0 and pi over 3. So anything bigger than pi over 3 I can throw out. So pi over 6 is the only spot. The spot that has a derivative equal to 0. Now, if we were really good and we knew what this graph looked like from 0 to pi over 3, it would look like this. And so, yes, at pi over 6, there's a horizontal tangent line.